In this video, you'll learn how to check your transaction history on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to access detailed records of your deposits, withdrawals, and trades efficiently. Start by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Once you arrive at the home screen, locate the option to log in. Enter your credentials and click the login button. If prompted, complete any additional security verifications to access your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the wallet section of the interface. You will typically find this in the main menu and navigation bar. Click on Wallet, and from the drop-down menu, select Files and Spot Wallet. This section gives you an overview of your assets and transaction history. Once you are in the Fiat and Spot Wallet, look for the option labeled Transaction History. Clicking on this will bring you to a new screen where you can see all your transaction activities. This section will display a list of your deposits, withdrawals, and trades, allowing you to track every movement of your funds clearly. Next, you can apply filters to narrow down your search for specific transactions. Look for the filter options on this page, typically located above the transaction list. You can filter by transaction type, such as deposits or withdrawals only, or you can select a custom date range. This feature is particularly useful for organizing your records for tax reports or personal bookkeeping. If you need to download your transaction history, look for the export option on the transaction history page. Clicking on export will allow you to download your transaction data in CSV format. This file can be used for accounting purposes or further analysis. Ensure that you store this file securely to protect your financial information. Regular reviewing your transaction history helps in detecting any suspicious activities early, so it is advisable to stay organized and proactive. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.